Hello, I am Petronic. Today I speak about basic operators. An operator is a symbol of phrase that you can use to check, change, or combine values. The values that operators affect are operand. In Swift, operators can be unary, binary, ternary. Let's see a couple categories of operators. First is assignment operator. For example, our assignment symbol is our assignment operator. In this example, with assignment operator, we assign initial value to our constant and variables and assign a new value to our variables. Next category is arithmetic operators. Swift have 4 arithmetic operators. First is additional operators. For example, our plus symbol is our additional operator. With additional operators, we can add one number to another. For example, 10 plus 5 equals 15. 20 plus 25 equals 45. Next arithmetic operator is subtraction operator. For example, our minus symbol is our subtraction operator. With subtraction operator, we can subtract one value from another. For example, 10 minus 5 equals 5. 20 minus 9 equals 11. Next arithmetic operator is multiplication operator. For example, our asterisk is our multiplication operator. With multiplication operator, we can multiply one number by another. For example, 5 times 3 equals 15. 2 times 10 equals 20. And the last arithmetic operator is division operator. For example, our forward slash is our division operator. With division operator, we can divide one number by another. For example, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 22 divided by 2 equals 11. Okay. And the last operator in this video is remainder. And the last operator in this video is remainder operator. For example, our percentage symbol is our remainder operator. Remainder operator look how many times one number can fit inside another number and return remainder value. For example, 70 and 5. We can put 3 times our 5 number in number 17 and our remainder value will be 2. And the next example, 11 and 2. For example, we can put 5 times number 2 inside 11 number and our remainder value will be 1, because 2 times 5 equals 10, 11 minus 10 equals 1, and our remainder value is 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.